The Thembayar Cluster-Level Federation Women SHG Multi-Purpose Cooperative Society, in collaboration with the District Legal Service Authority DLSA Ribhoy, organized a rally and awareness program in Umsning today, focusing on key issues like the Prohibition of Child Marriage Act, human trafficking and drug abuse. The rally, which started at Umsning ground and passed through the town, saw active participation from women and youth. Notable attendees included W. Kharwanlang, BPM of Umsning, E. Marak, officer in charge of Umsning Police Station, and members of the DLSA.
Nang ta bade kajing kerni jing kun samla hau jing di penbua jung drugs kadai bakta ya ke imlang kasalang ke jongi ka bakta omdai ba bayu bom yo I ka ba mapi mat manga dani barok ibadan hang ni yo I ya kita kicing jenjar kiba kum ka imlang kasalang kum ka yeng kasem kaya kendu na kapor